What's the meaning of brooding? Brooding. Brooding.
Brooding. Brooding. The term brooding generally refers to a period of prolonged and deep thought, often accompanied by feelings of sadness or worry. It can also refer to the act of a bird incubating its eggs or young, or to the process of a person nurturing negative thoughts or emotions. The result of brooding varies depending on the context, but in general it can lead to a sense of introspection and self-awareness, or it can exacerbate negative emotions and lead to a cycle of rumination and despair. It is important to be mindful of the effects of brooding and seek support when necessary to avoid negative consequences.